Would you like views of Athens, Greece like this? Come with me and I'll show you where to go. This is Mount Lycabettus. I'm probably butchering the name, but it's the highest point in central Athens, Greece. And from there you get this amazing view of the city in pretty much all directions. There's basically two ways to get up there: on foot up the side of the hill, or you can take what's called a funicular. A funicular is basically like an elevator or a car that goes up a steep hill from down there to up there. It's about 10 euros to go up and back. I suggest you get a round trip ticket because it is a long walk either up or down, so you want to do that. It'll take you to the top of the hill, and at the top of the hill you're going to have these amazing views that I'm about to show you. And when you get thirsty, and you will during the afternoons, there's a casual dining place that you can sit there and get a drink or a few bites to eat. In the evening, they have a more formal layout for the restaurant. It's a lot more pricey. You can see here it's more akin to fine dining. It's a great place to just sit there and have a drink, look out at the beautiful view of Athens. You may even wind up with a special visitor.